Adventure car observation today. Small river. Let's take a look. The car seems a little unusual today. I just said you're unusual. You're so bright and so colorful. Hello. Rushing forward. I thought the drill in front of you could drill. The results will fly straight to. Do not drill and feel the head is too heavy. Unstable cycle. Oh, number 2 is directly killed. Pierced out a big snore. Our BN number brother tries to up you completely. I never thought about putting the arrow in front of me. Come back and see. Rock can't turn. It's like a shield. Just kick the little brick in front and fly away. And then hit a little bit by a small train led by the deviation. The good boy is running out of potential. Leaving the last 755 small car. Try up this look of you broken head. You're actually the predecessor to planting trees into salary. There is no small steel pipe in front of you and very smoothly passing through our rainbow. The portal can resist. See, this is a crazy race. You have to fly over this broken bridge. What's the plot in the movie? Today we're going to recreate this recovery way. So fly away. You don't fly what you put it for. Okay, it's our turn. Oh, small red, white, green car. Hurry, hurry. Gafoot, pedal, 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 pedal. You can't go up. There's nothing wrong with that. You blew yourself up. The broken copper and the broken iron have also come to the customs. Take a look at our little race car. This car probably has a lot of power. Which 1 foot gay goes straight in. This must be the present. To a small garage in the farthest place. Police car. This car is definitely a 7. I watched the police ride for him. Let's see what you can do. Hurry up my attention. When you cross the bridge, you don't have to pack anymore. Look at that tire. Then take a look at our number 95. Small car carrying shield. Easy to jump over. Then sow. Back easily through our second pass. Door to gate B. There are so many holes in front of you. This one doesn't have wings. It can't fly on the 4th leg. We're amen, sir. Man crosses a hole, 2 holes, 3 holes. To the bottom of our lake. Let's look at our Iron Man 2. This car seems a little bigger. By fate, it can cross the 1st hole, the 2nd hole, the 3rd. Your 3 holes are killed directly here. Let's look at our Iron Man B. Small wind easy for them. Small wind easy. Your second one, you're going to fall. It means sow. This Iron Man looks huge. At home, try to follow home. We have to fight back. Don't rush forward. Face. Swing to swing to swing to swing to swing. It's over, baby B. I finally went straight to the bath and the tires are gone. Forget about the last one. The village's hope is not that I'm the queen. This speed is too fast, right? This is really flying by. It's all cement. Is the
Bob
baby
okay
doesn't
now?
do it anymore. We're going directly to the customs. Saipang Bob driving small plunge forward. Don't be beaten. What's going on? You don't come easily, you don't prepare. Okay, look at the second one. The second limb is already on stage. Don't be knocked down. This stability of yours is not equal to squeezing a hamster. You see, being beaten turns to scrap metal. Take a look at our CBA digital box. A little more, you are the best.